Looking for a way to earn money online without working around the clock? The Millionaire Partner System helps you build a business that works even when you're not. Here's how. Step 1 is setting up your base. The program shows you how to create your own website, landing pages, and sales funnels that attract and converts visitors. Everything is beginner friendly and explained clearly. Step 2 is picking profitable products. You'll learn how to research markets, spot trends, and choose offers that bring in a steady revenue. Next, the system walks you through making marketing campaigns. You get ready-made templates for emails, social media, and ads, so you can reach your audience fast without struggling to write everything yourself. The big game changer is automation. Once your campaigns and emails are set up, the system runs them automatically. That means while you sleep, your marketing is still working for you. You'll also discover how to read your numbers and improve your results. Small changes can make big difference in profit, and the program teaches you exactly how to do it. When you're ready, you can scale your efforts and grow your income. This is how you go from a small side hustle to a full-time income. If you're ready to build a passive income stream, click my link below and sign up today. Let's make your business work for you.